welcome to the review of the Studiotack ST900. So I just got this in the mail yesterday, and let's go ahead and unbox it as our part one here. Very nice. So it comes here, looks like, comes with a little user manual. Looks like it's packed in there nice and well, so it shouldn't get hurt in shipping. You got your little windscreen there. And then the secondary piece looks good. Pull that out, and then underneath you've got a bunch of extra pieces here. Looks like we got some cables, little stand for it, little desk mount, the microphone itself, and last but not least, the adjusting bar for all of that, and then a couple other little pieces that, yeah, actually not a couple other pieces. That's just, you know, keep moisture out. So that is what you get, and I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and let you know. We'll do some test runs and stuff like that, see how it works. Record. All right, so we are recording right now. So we'll go ahead and sync up these two things, and now you are listening to the studio microphone Studiotack ST900. Through the headphones, it sounds really, really good right now, right here. And I love, honestly, that you're able to plug your headphones right into this thing. That's pretty cool. Neat little feature that we've got there. And then if we go to the lapel mic, this is the audio quality of the lapel mic right now. And then we'll go back to the studio audio right here. And if we take the pop filter away, there's kind of what you're hearing with that away, the pop filter. And then if we take this off, that's kind of what the raw audio sounds like right there. So again, let's say we just bring the pop filter back on over, and that is what you hear. So overall conclusions of the Studiotack ST900 microphone. This thing really sounds awesome right out of the gate without having to do anything else to this audio. I can only imagine how good this would sound as soon as you start you know, enhancing the audio just a little bit, but really and truly this sounds really good to me. My ears right now in the headphones sounds amazing. So 5 out of 5 stars. Would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for, you know, some voiceovers that you do. Maybe you just want some better sounding audio, professional thing for all the Zoom calls you're doing these days. Whatever it is, I would recommend this. This is an awesome product. Thank you, Studiotack. So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, really excited about this product. Really excited to have this here in the studio for myself to be able to add on with the rest of the equipment I use for voiceovers, things like that in the video world here. So really excited for my uses. If you've got some of the same uses or some that are different, I think that this microphone could work out for you, and I highly recommend it. Thanks.